Hi, welcome to the next tutorial in Dmod creation. In this part I want to go over pseudo variables. We've already gone over locals and globals. Now what I want to show you is pseudo. We're not actually really going to be putting anything into practical use at this point in regards to pseudo variables, but I just want to, the purpose of this tutorial is, if it will let me click on anything, to show you that they are there, because we're going to be using them later and they're going to come in very handy. So these are pseudo variables. They're fake variables, they're not local or global, and you cannot modify their value. Their value can only be retrieved, or they can be used in a script, and basically that is the purpose for pseudo variables. These arg1 to arg9 variables, they come in very, very handy later when we get into custom procedures and spawning scripts, all that stuff, because we can pass values to another procedure. Since local variables don't carry over to custom procedures, we can use these to pass values that we need. And it's very handy for, say, scripting something. If you're doing a whole heap of things that are quite repetitive, quite almost the same, I'll show you a few techniques with these later. So if that's not clear, and if you don't understand anything I just said, do not worry, because we're not going to worry about these until we get into custom procedures and spawning scripts and external and all that stuff, and that's later when we learn more about procedures. The current script is the script number of the currently executing script. The current sprite, you already know what that is because we've gone over that a million times. That basically refers to the sprite that the script is attached to. And return, now that returns the last known return value from a function or procedure. That is quite useful as well. We're going to be using that a lot later when we learn about custom procedures and all that as well. And then you've got the save and save game info, and basically that's only used for choice statements when you're loading or saving a game, mainly for the save bot, so you don't have to worry about that. The main ones we're going to look at later on is the arg1 to arg9 and return later on when we get into the custom procedures, like I said. So I just wanted to make this quick tutorial. I know we're not really learning about how to use them yet, but they're there. I'll see you in the next tutorial.